Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle chocolate cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of good quality dark chocolate, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 150 grams of granulated sugar. Also, have 3 large eggs ready, along with 50 grams of all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. Now, let's create that rich cake batter. Begin by gently melting your 200 grams of dark chocolate with the 100 grams of butter over a double boiler until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk the 3 eggs and 150 grams of sugar together until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Carefully fold the melted chocolate and butter into the egg mixture. Finally, sift in the 50 grams of flour and the pinch of salt, mixing just until combined. It's time to bake our delicious cake. Carefully pour the prepared batter into your greased 9-inch cake pan, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with just moist crumbs. Once baked, let the cake cool completely in the pan on a wire rack before attempting to remove it. For the grand finale, let's create a decadent truffle ganache. Heat 150 milliliters of heavy cream until simmering, then pour it over 150 grams of finely chopped dark chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth and glossy. Once the cake is completely cool, pour the warm ganache over the top, allowing it to cascade down the sides for a stunning finish. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book on financial wisdom, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.